Hello dear students, this is the last classification of the signals, energy and power signal. So signal can also be classified as the finite energy or finite average power. However, there are some signals which can be neither be classified on energy signal or it cannot be power signals. So in previous lectures we have seen the classification like deterministic and non-deterministic signal, periodic and non-periodic signal, even and odd signals. So similarly, the signal can also be expressed or classified in terms of power and energy. So what exactly power and energy is? Consider the voltage source Vt across the unit resistance R. Here remember the resistance is unit, that means R is equal to always 1, and conducting current It. So you know what is the Ohm's law? V is equal to IR is the Ohm's law. Based on this Ohm's law, these mathematical expressions can be very easy. So power is power T is equal to V into I. Voltage into I is the power. If I replace this I value by V upon R, because V is equal to IR, so I is equal to V upon R. So Vt into again V upon R. So what is the resultant formula? If I put the value of I is equal to V upon R, I will get V square T upon R. And if I now keep the value of V is equal to IR, then what is the formula? So or what is the expression? ये V square की वैल्यू अगर हम I square डालते हैं, I square R डालते हैं, क्योंकि R की वैल्यू तो 1 है, तो 1 square is equal to 1. So we don't have to bother about the R value. So what is the V square value? I square T into R. V square की वैल्यू क्या है? V is equal to IR. ये अगर वैल्यू डालते हैं यहाँ पे तो I square T into R आ गया. या we can say V square T की वैल्यू अगर हम I square R square डालते हैं तो R square में से ये नीचे वाला R एक चला गया तो हमें न्यूमरेटर में बचता है सिंगल R और R की वैल्यू 1 है. सो I square T into R and R is 1. So power is I square T. Since R is equal to 1 ohm, power T is equal to V square T is equal to I square T, because R is unity or unit resistance. Total energy and average power formula is E is equal to limit t tends to infinity minus t raised to t minus t to t, this is the integration I square t dt. So here this is the total energy, because for unit resistance we have I square t, but what is the total energy? So as we are seeing that it is the total energy, so we have to integrate from minus t to t. So E is equal to limit t tends to infinity minus t to t I square t dt, and P is equal to limit t tends to infinity V of 1 upon 2t minus t to t integration minus t to t I square t dt. So these are the powers, energy and power signal. And average energy and power signal is what? E is equal to limit t tends to infinity minus t to t is xt square dt. So these are joules, because energy, unit of energy is joules. Similarly, power is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 upon t integration varies from minus t to t xt square dt watts, because power can be calculated by using watts. So this is the last classification, which is called as energy and power signal. Thank you for listening.